Well, there have been warnings from police recently to be careful of contractors offering services for roofing jobs and other home renovations.
While some companies may have glossy brochures and impressive websites, you really need to do your research before paying for their services.
Brampton woman wanted to put a basement apartment in her home for her son and also to help her earn income in her retirement. She hired a contractor and signed a contract, but when she paid him in advance, he didn't come back.
I feel like I've been robbed. I feel stupid. I feel scammed. I feel like, I don't know, how can someone do this to a 64-year-old? I cry day and night.
An Ottawa homeowner is out $90,000 after falling victim to an alleged contractor scam. A small home repair turning into a nightmare. And now she's sharing her story, hoping to stop this from happening to someone else.
Police say it's one of the most common scams in the city this time of year. Contractors going door to door, offering to help, then vanishing after pocketing thousands.
Now we have to get the whole thing redone because we realize now that we've been defrauded royally.
They're on the rise, even more so, with more people spending time at home. We're starting to notice every nook and cranny we'd like to change and fix and upgrade. Here to chat with us about how to do a home reno without getting ripped off. That's the key, is Peter Glaw. He's awesome. He's from Premier Quality Renovations. Peter, thank goodness you're here. How are you?
Good morning. Fantastic. Thank you.
First things first, how do you feel about people being their own general contractors because they want to save some cash?
You know what? It's a great idea. The thing is, you've just got to get some guidance, which is what we and other professionals provide for them, and then just make sure they're doing the right thing, and there's not a problem.
And one of your tips, you say do not pay any more than how much money up front?
We recommend give no more than $5,000 up front with the agreement. Make a deal with the renovator or contractor to pay as you go. End of every week, job's done, you're happy, pay them.
Good for you, Peter, because there's a lot of good people out there, and there's a lot of people who'll try and rob you of your cash. So we've got some questions coming in. First one, my husband wants to turn our basement into a home movie theater. He insists he knows what he's doing because he's watched a YouTube video. He'd like to do it himself to save cash, but I'm afraid the basement will turn out worse than it already is. Any tips? That's from Karen from Etobicoke.
Yeah, I mean, it's great to do it yourself. It's good to be your own general contractor, but don't try it alone. It's like learning to drive a car without any lessons. And if they get a hold of us, we can guide them through the whole journey, and it's simple, and the job will turn out perfect.
Okay, tips from Mississauga, right?